Hello guys, welcome to my video channel. My name is Ahmed, and in this video section, I'm going to be walking through the new bulk email and SMS sender with multiple SMTP location and invoice guaranteed. And this is the latest email and SMS sender. But in this video, I'm going to be walking through the email section, how to send bulk emails with this software. Now, this software, what are the functionalities and what are the features of this software? Now, this software has the ability to inbox all emails. It can inbox all emails. Then email to SMS. It can send email to SMS. That is the SMTP to SMS. It can send with multiple SMTPs. It can send with multiple sender names. And it can also send with multiple subjects. Then subject and from email encryption. So we can send using custom headers. Now it has high quality and lifetime, and the screen on shape. Now, what is the essence of using multiple SMTP, multiple sender names, multiple subjects to send emails? Now, here's the catch. The reason why most of emails get to spam folder is the fact that when you are sending emails, you are using just one SMTP to send emails. And by so doing, so the bots, the email bots of these email providers like Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, Office 365, they categorize your emails as spam because you are using one SMTP. Let's say, for example, you are sending 2,000 emails now, and you are using SMTP. So the bot will trigger because there are limits to how many emails you can send using one SMTP without the bot being triggered. So the bot will trigger and it will alert the email systems, and it will put your email into spam or inbox. But with multiple sender names, multiple subjects, it rotates on demand. So let's say you are sending 2,000 emails or 2,000 SMS. So you don't even need to worry, because if you put like 20 different sender names, 20 different subjects, and even 20 different email or the letter that you want to send, so you are sending it, it will rotate. So it will pick one and it will map it to the sender name. It will pick another one, it will map it to another sender name. So that's how it's going to be doing, so that the email bots won't categorize your email as spam, because you think that you are sending it individually, like you are sending it just once, right? You are sending it just once. So I advise you, when you are using this software, make sure you use it with multiple sender names and the multiple subjects. All right. So I'm going to walk you through how this email to SMS or this bulk email software works. Now, the first thing for us you need to do here, if you want to enjoy this software, is to disable your antivirus. Now, how do you disable your antivirus? You come here, you type virus protection. You open it. Then you scroll down to manage settings here. And here, this is what you need to turn off. You can see real-time protection. You need to turn this off. That is what you are going to be doing. All right. So after doing that, now the next thing is to install Python, because it's Python scripts. You need to go to python.org and install Python. So once you go to python.org/downloads, you download the latest Python. So once you download the latest Python and you want to install, you get something like this. So make sure you tick these two. Add Python to path, then install Water for all users recommended. You tick the two parts here. Okay, so once you tick that, that's all. Then you need to come to the software. All right, you need to come to the software, and this is the software. Now, before I delve into the software, I'm going to walk you through this. Now, here is the letter. This is the letter you want to send All right. This is the letter you want to send. It can be in HTML format. It can be in plain format. All right. So because you are using Notepad. Now, let me just say, welcome. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I appreciate your comment. So let's say this is the letter I want to send. All right, I'm going to close this. Now, this is the name that will appear. All right, like I told you, this is the names. So it will rotate. So you can put different names here, but make sure that whatever you are putting here in the subject line here or in the name synchronizes with what you want to promote. All right. So for me, I'm going to leave this as it is now. I'm going to leave it. So I'm putting 1, 2, 3, 4 names here. Now, this is the subject. Now, free website design, free training, join us now. Let me just say, free seminar. So make sure that the subject that you are putting here, all right, synchronizes with the content that we want to do in this letter. All right. Now, the next thing is your SMTP. So you can put 20 different SMTP here. All right. You can decide to create your own Gmail. You can use your Gmail account here. You can use your Gmail account. So you can put different SMTP here. Now, if you are putting SMTP, make sure you follow this format like this. Where it is SMTP host here, you put your SMTP server name, your host name, like Gmail, smtp.gmail.com, port 587. Use 587 here instead of 465. The username, you put your email as a username, then your password, that is it. So you can put 20 different Gmail accounts here. All right. So that's how you are going to do for this SMTP. So I'm going to put my own SMTP here. Then I will come back to this video. So I put my SMTP here. Now, the next thing for you to do here is come to, you can see these emails here or lists, whichever one you want to take as a list. But me, I'm going to take this as my list. So these are my emails I want to send to. I want to send to my emails here. All right. I want to send to my emails here as a test. All right. Then if that's been sent, it will write sent. Let me delete this first. So it will write sent. All right. So it will write sent. So it will fail, it will write fail. All right. So this is what you need. This is where you need to put your leads. All right. So I'm going to be doing the one for the SMS. All right, in my next video. So this is where I'm going to put your email. If there are thousands of emails, this is where I'm going to put them. So now the next thing for you to do is click on this software. This is the software. Excuse me. Now, once you click on this software, you can see it will still load up now. It load up, and we are going to choose the one that interests you, whether you want to send emails or you want to send email to SMS. All right. So now we can see, choose two you want. Number one, send emails. Number two, send email to SMS. Now I'm going to choose number one. So I'm going to press enter. Then you enter your email list. Don't forget, my email list is my email list is what? It's in leads.txt. Leads.txt. So I'm going to write leads.txt. I'll click on enter. Then enter number of multi-thread. I normally choose 3. So I'll choose 3, then I'll choose OK. I will press enter, and the software will start saying, you can see sources. You can see it has sent. You can see it has sent. So you see the sent item, you can see it here. Now let me go to my Gmail. Let me go to my Gmail. Let's see. All right, let's see if it has been added. So you can see now that it has sent. You can see it here. Let me open it. You can see 0 minutes ago, send now. welcome to my YouTube channel. I appreciate your comment. You can see that it is using skill survey. You can see, and this is one of the SMTP I used. You can see one of the SMTP I used. All right, you can see it. So welcome to. I can see that it's inbox. Now let me go to another email of mine. Let me check it. So it's still loading. Just hold on. So let me check this. All right. Okay, this is not the right. Hold on. Okay, I think this is a new one. Don't use. So let me check this. All emails. Okay, this is not the email. Sorry. So let me check this. So you can see this. Join us now. You can see welcome. You can see that it uses different subject line. You can see join us now. And this one is what? Free website design. All right. Free website design. You can see that it's using different ones. All right. You can see welcome to my YouTube channel. I appreciate your comment. You can see that it is inbox. So that is the email to SMS. You can see the online. Okay, let me see online cash opportunity. Let me see if it actually sends to this email again. Let me see this one. So I want to see my third email. So let's see if you are receiving this in our inbox. You can see it again. Free seminar. You can see it, free seminar. The subject changes. You can see free seminar. And this one is what? Join us now. And this one is what? Free website design. So you can see that. So if I could check here, you see that it uses my Gmail to send from this one. You can see I'm using my Gmail SMTP to send from this one. Why here it's using another SMTP? You can see it's rotating it, and that's why you're getting inbox. So if you are sending 3,000, 5,000, that is how you are going to get inbox delivery. All right. So guys, so this is the software, and this is a very powerful software that you need to get for your business. In my next video, I will show you how to send to SMS. So till then, my name is Sendiio, and if you're interested in getting this software, can you click on the link below to get the software and start using it to promote your business. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in my next video.